Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the generic USB hub is missing or not showing up on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So generic hub is a high-speed USB device that you can locate in your PC's device manager. Its purpose is to divide a single USB port into 4 to 7 individual ports. By using a generic USB hub, you can connect multiple devices to your PC simultaneously. There are three most common hub type. Number 1 is root hub, number 2 powered hub, and number 3 self-powered hub. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method we will do is to show hidden non-present devices in device manager. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on the start menu and then select mo lang dito yung device manager. And then once na open mo na tong device manager, ang next step dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung view. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung show hidden devices. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so once na-show mo na yung hidden devices, so same dito sa device manager, ang next step is to update generic USB hub drivers. Alright, so ang next step is scroll down ka lang and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito or i-select mo dito yung Universal Serial Bus Controller. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito or select yung generic USB hub. So, kailangan natin itong i-update. Kung paano ba yan i-update? So, select and right click and then itap mo lang tong update driver. And then, may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin like search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. And then, itap mo lang tong search automatically and wait natin. So, the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright? And then close lang natin yan. And then next step, so same ulit dito sa device manager is to scan for hardware changes. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So dito lang sa taas ulit ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung action tab. So click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung help. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong Microsoft Management Console. Right, so nandito yung other informations na pwede nating i-follow para ma-fix yung problem. Okay, so once nagawa na natin ito and then close lang natin tong device manager. And other solution na pwede natin gawin is to enable USB port by registry editor. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. So once na-open mo na tong registry editor, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HKey local machines. So double click ka lang. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system. So double click ulit. And then dito sa system, ang next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung current control set. So double click ulit. And dito sa current control set, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung services. So double click ulit. And dito sa services, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung USB SPOR. Okay, so kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then i-locate mo lang dito yung USB SPOR. Okay? And then next step, kailangan mo lang mag-click one time. So click one time at dito lang sa right pane panel ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung start. Alright? So click mo lang tong start and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And dito sa kanyang edit dword 32-bit value, so double click yung value name na start and then dito sa value data ay kailangan mo lang ilagay dito yung value data number 3. So ibig sabihin yung number 3 corresponding to enable yung USB port. Okay, so once nakalagay dyan is 1 or 2, i-change mo lang to number 3 and then dito sa kanyang base ay kailangan nakaselect dito yung hexadecimal and then click mo lang dito yung OK. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-close itong registry editor at dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix generic USB hub missing or not showing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.